Future Sight here with Waimei and Jennifer. We're going to talk about kids that code. So, is learning how to code key to successful access to future occupations? We're here with parents Waimei and Jennifer in a conversation of why coding may be one of the gateways to your kids' future. Take it away.
So, what is coding?
It's a good question. So coding is really just telling computer what to do. It's giving them instructions. Computers have the power of just running instructions really, really fast with a lot of accuracy. So we can do a lot of things that make our lives a little bit easier. So we also can get kids to express themselves through codes. We create stories or music or animations or even games. Adults will start creating apps that help make their lives easier. Companies will create software to help run their business a lot more efficiently.
So, why is learning to code important?
It's so important. Every industry is exposed to technology to make their work easier and more efficient and more accurate. So if we start introducing at an even younger age, kids can start imagining how to start to use code to help make the world, make processes around them easier, make the world better, or do things to express themselves, to entertain others by creating their stories or animations or music.
Well, how can my kids learn how to code?
Kids can start learning to code by just, if we start teaching them some of the concepts like sequencing, they can start looking at getting ready for bed. What's the sequence in getting ready for bed? And they would have to start to verbalize that, plan it out so that they can teach maybe a younger sibling how to get ready for bed, and breaking down those steps. That's part of computational thinking, breaking down a larger task into smaller steps. We can get kids to create little stories with coding blocks and that they drag and drop, and they can start creating music and games and animation.
This is very interesting. So I like to ask the both of you, how do you integrate how kids learn to code out of the classroom with their learning in the classroom?
Yeah, that's a really good question. We actually try to integrate a lot of math, even social studies or science, and even arts into the classroom. Even having a stage to work on, they are using coordinates. So they're learning about spatial awareness, learning about X and Y coordinates, and sometimes we even integrate a little bit of 3D and getting them to even start to explore that before they learn it like later on in high school. We bring in arts and how you can manipulate different images to make it express yourselves artistically. We bring in sciences by maybe creating a game around recycling and using coding concepts to make a quiz on, where to recycle different materials.
So this really augments their learning in school. It's not just about math, but it's about the creative arts and creative thinking as well, which is very important.
Absolutely. It's another tool they can use to express themselves, to present an idea.
Why teach them so young?
Because our digital world is evolving so fast. Technology is everywhere, and right now they're really engaged in technology. So we kind of want to nurture this interest and get them to create with technology. They start to look at the world in a different way. Oh, I can use code to make my life a little bit easier. Maybe I can plan out my day and create a scheduler with code.